Hey there, this is Jun, and welcome back to another code tutorial. Today we'll look at 5 to 5 continuous array. So we have an array, and we are going to find the maximum length of a continuous subarray with equal number of 0 and 1, equal number of 0 and 1. So it is a binary array. Whenever if we see the 0 as -1, so an equal number of 1 or 0 array, whatever the length is, the sum is going to be 0. That's a way to do it. And to define the maximum length, we need to start at the end point 2 minus the start point to get the length. So we need a table to memorize all the counting point which has the same amount of 0 and 1. So in this path, and make a sense. So we have a map which that key is the sum of the. So first we're gonna assign the value -1 if we encounter 0, and add them up if we encounter 1. We're gonna add up 1. So 1 plus -1 equal to 0, and that is the first encounter 0 of the sum. And the first index starting with the sum 0, we're gonna assign -1 because it array start index of 0. To make sense, in this case we have the first element 0 as negative element 1. We encounter 0, we add up the sum as -1, and then we add +1 then equal to 0 because the 1 we encounter 1, we're gonna add up 1. So the length is to make sense, we have to initialize the first sum 0 value equal to -1. So 1 minus -1 is going to be 2. So that would make sense. And we also gonna put other values in it. Whenever we encounter the same amount of sum. Again, we just use the hash map to do the calculate the maximum length, and update the maximum length over time. Finally, print the maximum length. So here's the code part. We have the hash map with key integer, value integer as well. Then we initialize the map with 0 -1. Then we have a global update counter, maximum length and the counter. Then we iterate through the numbers array. We're adding up, increasing the counter over time. Whenever we encounter 1, we add up 1. Otherwise, it is going to be 0. We add up to -1. So we check if we encountered that counter again, we just update the length. Else we just put the counter value to the map. Last step, return the maximum updated value. And there you have it, the continuous array. And subscribe, leave a like, comment, share the video. I'll see you in next one.